Hi guys, welcome to a brand new channel.
Stamps and Borders.
I'm Karan.
I am Sanghmitra, and we would like to take few minutes of your busy schedule today.
Yes.
To start with, we really hope everybody out there are keeping yourself safe and well. We know the time is really tough. Everybody is going through major turmoil.
Yes, it's indeed really tough times, and we hope that we soon come out of it.
Of course, yes.
Yes. So, should we talk about why we are here?
Of course. So guys, Karan and I have known each other from past 7 years, and he has been my travel companion in those years right from day one.
Yes.
And in those 7 years,
Hold on. I think, aren't you forgetting something really important over here?
like what?
That you are my bitter half from past 3 years.
Yes, that too. Yes. So yeah, we are married from past 3 years as well. As I was saying, that since the time we have met each other, we have traveled a lot of places, and whenever we used to be at a certain trip or journey, we always felt a need that we should document each and every aspect of that journey, so that years down the line we can relive the entire trip one more time. Also, whenever we used to come back from any of our trip, we have our friends and family who used to ask a lot of questions as how did we plan, how
And
did
very
we,
small
yeah.
things that when we reached a certain place, तो वो हमसे आगे पूछते थे कि what was the local transport over there, what was the cost of that particular transport, what was the fastest transport medium over there, so many other small things.
Yeah, and what used to happen is they may not ask us immediately after our trip. They can maybe ask us after a couple of months, when our memory used to fade away and we could not give them those important small details. Therefore, from past few years, couple of years rather, I and Karan were also contemplating as what to do about it. We thought of starting our own blog by penning it down, all the details, but quite honestly, with the kind of work schedule that we both have, it was becoming like a real struggle.
Okay. Let me add something over here. So when she's talking about writing a blog, so वो अपने बारे में बात कर रही है. She was thinking of writing a blog. I'm really bad in writing. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं लिखना स्टार्ट करूँगा तो जितने भी बाहर अच्छे राइटर्स हैं वो छोड़ देंगे लिखना कि ये इंडस्ट्री में कौन लोग आ रहे हैं. I don't know, we don't know. So that is one thing. Then we thought, what is the other mode of communication? Then we thought Instagram would be a very powerful mode.
Yeah.
And guess what? We're struggling over there.
Yeah, we are struggling over there too.
So we are not getting enough footfalls, we are not getting enough of our followers. It's taking a little longer than usual, I think. And then we thought कि ये जो struggle है ये काफ़ी कम है अभी भी. तो हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना ये struggle को और बढ़ाया जाए और हम videos बनाएं.
Yes, and we are.
Yes.
Jokes apart, guys. I and Karan both think that videos are the most powerful and effective tool to showcase our journey to the masses. We understand this is definitely not the most opportune time to start a traveling vlog, but we have waited so long, and just to take that first step, we did not want to wait any longer.
So we thought that we will take you in our past journeys, जहाँ हम already, क्योंकि as of now we cannot really travel.
We don't know for how long.
How long? It can be days, it can be months, it can be weeks. But so we thought कि हम जो पहली trips हमारी खत्म हो चुकी हैं, we will take you along with us.
Yes.
In the past, and we will show you small things, details behind the scenes, basically. That how we planned the whole trip, what we did over there, what is the thing which we liked the most, and what we could have done better, and what we could have avoided.
True.
So all the small things, and you can probably watch that video, and if you plan to go in future to that particular place, then I think
hope our video will be slightly useful to you.
And you can just go and check it out.
So basically our few videos would be on past experiences till the time we start going out again.
So we would say stay tuned for this, and we'll be out with a video very soon.
Bye.
Bye.